In this video, we will see the upgrade feature of Samsung A52s upgrade from Android 11 to Android 12. First, let me upgrade to Samsung A52s. Galaxy's One UI 4 brings you a wide array of new features and enhancements for your Galaxy devices. More intuitive, more fun, more secure, and easier than ever. Let's take a look into the feature now, shall we? Color palette. Now you can customize your phone with unique colors based on your wallpaper. Your colors will be applied to menus, buttons, backgrounds, and apps throughout your phone. Next, Samsung Keyboard. More than just typing, Samsung Keyboard is all about expressing yourself and having fun. You can quickly access GIF, emojis, and stickers. Self-expression is a tap away. Get to your emojis, GIFs, and stickers directly from the keyboard with a single button. Spice up your conversations with a variety of new animated stickers available to download. Writing Assistant. Keep your grammar and spelling on point with the new Writing Assistant, powered by Grammarly English only. Next, home screen. It all starts on the home screen, where your favorite apps and features are just a tap away. One UI 4 helps you keep your home screen looking its best all the time. Widgets have been redesigned to look better than ever, with info that's easy to see at a glance and a more consistent style. Easier widget selection. Have you had trouble finding the right widget? You can now quickly scroll through the widget list to see what's available from each app. You'll also get recommendations for useful widgets to try out. Next, lock screen. Use widgets to handle quick tasks without unlocking your phone, whether it's controlling your music, checking your schedule, or capturing your best ideas. Got a great idea? Record a voice memo without unlocking your phone. Next, camera. Enjoy a simpler layout while you take pictures and videos. The Scene Optimizer button only appears in photo mode if there's low light or you're scanning a document. Portrait and night mode settings are now tucked away and more intuitive. Lens and zoom. Lens icons show the magnification level, so you know how much you've zoomed in. Green light indicates if any apps are using a camera or microphone here, which is good. Pro photography. Stay in control with the redesigned Pro and Pro video mode settings. The cleaner look helps you focus on the shot, and the new level indicators added to the grid lines help you keep shots balanced. Next, gallery. Whether you've got thousands of pictures and videos or just a few treasured moments, Gallery makes it easier to find what you need and keep your collection organized. More control over information change or remove the date, time, and location of your pictures to correct them or keep it private. You can also select several pictures and edit their information at once. Next, sharing. One UI helps you stay connected and share your experiences with others. Just tap the share button in any app. More customization. Make sharing your own. You can customize the list of apps that appear when you share content to keep the clutter away and focus only on the apps you use regularly. Next, calendar. One UI 4 makes it even easier to keep your busy life organized. Check your schedule on the home screen. A new widget shows your schedule for the day along with a full calendar for the month. Quick add events. Need to add something to your calendar in a hurry. Just enter a title and you're done. More search options. You've got more ways than ever to find your calendar events. Choose from recent search keywords or filter by color or sticker. Recover deleted events. Events you delete will stay in the trash for 30 days, so you can get them back if you need them. Next, on Samsung Internet. One UI fast and secure web browser now makes it even easier to find the web pages you're looking for and protect your privacy. Search suggestions. Get more search suggestions when you enter text in the address bar. Results will appear with an all-new design. Search from the home screen. The new search widget helps you find what you're looking for, right from the home screen. Start in secret mode to protect your privacy. Samsung Internet will automatically start in secret mode if you were using secret mode during your last browsing session. Next, device care. See your phone's performance, security, and battery life at a glance. Solve problems quickly and get deep diagnostics for more complex issues. Battery and security issues will appear right on the main screen, so you can solve problems more quickly. Your phone's overall status is shown as an emoji, so you can understand instantly. We also have battery charging capped at 85% option. This is best for people who care about the battery life on their phones. Next, accessibility. One UI is designed for everyone. In One UI 4, you'll get even more options to help you use your phone in the way that's most comfortable for you. Now you can access accessibility features more quickly with a floating button that's always available. Also, you can now adjust contrast and size at the same time with custom display mode, high contrast, or large display. On eye comfort, more visibility options are available to meet your needs. You can reduce transparency or blur. With customizable flash notifications, you can make the screen flash when you receive a notification. You customize colors for each app so you can easily determine where the web link's notification is coming from. The magnifier window has been merged with the new magnification menu, giving you more options and more control for magnifying content on the screen. Let's take a look at more features and improvements. With better always on display, you will never miss a notification. You can now set always on display to turn on whenever you get a notification. New animated stickers are also available to keep your always on display looking fresh. Dark mode got enhanced to keep you comfortable in the dark. Dark mode now automatically dims wallpapers and icons. Illustrations in Samsung apps now have dark mode versions with darker colors for a more consistent experience that's easier on your eyes. You can check charging info at a glance. When you start charging, different visual effects let you know your charging speed more intuitively. Easier brightness control. A bigger brightness bar in the quick panel makes it easier to change screen brightness with a swipe. Settings got improved with search features, which will help you find the settings you need indicates when you need them. You'll get suggestions for related features depending on what you search for. Do you have a friend on the other side of the world? It's easier to see if it's a good time to contact them. The dual clock widget now shows different background colors for each city depending on whether it's day or night. Switch from text to calls. Texting not cutting it. Tap the person's name at the top of the conversation to see their details or start a voice or video call. More search results and messages. Now you can search your messages for photos, videos, web links, and more. The results are all filtered, so you can jump right to what you're looking for. Resizable picture-in-picture. If a floating video is getting in the way, pinch your fingers together to make it smaller. Want to see more? Spread your fingers apart to make it bigger. Quick access to pop-up window options. For easier multitasking, you can pin the window options menu to the top of the window to make it easier to access. Some apps will need to be updated separately after the One UI 4 upgrade. Well, that's it about the upgrade feature on Samsung's A52 Android 12. Check out this playlist for more videos like this.